Nearly 70 years after its first flight, the iconic UH-1 Iroquois remains one of the most recognized helicopters in the world. The latest variant, the UH-1Y Venom, represents a significant evolution from its storied predecessor. Enhanced with cutting-edge avionics, powerful engines, and upgraded weapon systems, the Venom is a thoroughly modernized aircraft designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's military operations, while still carrying forward the spirit of its legendary lineage. The Bell UH-1Y Venom, often called the Super Huey, is a twin-engine, medium-sized utility helicopter developed by Bell Helicopter as part of the United States Marine Corps' H-1 upgrade program. As one of the latest additions to the renowned Huey family, the UH-1Y, nicknamed the Yankee based on the NATO phonetic alphabet, combines modern technology with a proven design to meet the demands of contemporary military operations. The UH-1Y Venom is a versatile utility helicopter equipped for close air support, combat assault, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, reconnaissance, and special operations. As the premier utility platform of the U.S. Marine Corps, it is designed to handle a wide range of mission-critical tasks. This helicopter is powered by two General Electric turboshaft engines, each producing up to 1,800 shaft horsepower. It can achieve speeds of nearly 230 miles per hour, with a cruising speed around 190 miles per hour. It offers a mission endurance of over 3 hours, a service ceiling of 20,000 feet, and an impressive climb rate of 2,520 feet per minute. The Bell UH-1Y Venom is equipped with two external stations capable of carrying 70mm Hydra 70 or Advanced Precision Kill Weapon System rockets. For firepower, the UH-1Y is equipped with M240D, M134 minigun, and GAU-21 machine guns. The 7.62mm M240D is a belt-fed, gas-operated medium machine gun with a firing rate of 650 to 950 rounds per minute. The M134 minigun is a 6-barrel rotary machine gun with an exceptionally high rate of fire, ranging from 2,000 to 6,000 rounds per minute. The GAU-21 is 50 caliber rapid-fire machine gun optimized for rotary wing aircraft, featuring a cyclic rate of 1,100 rounds per minute. It utilizes an open bolt operation and a dual recoil buffer system, providing enhanced stability and performance. In 1996, the United States Marine Corps initiated the H-1 upgrade program, signing a contract with Bell Helicopter to upgrade 100 UH-1Ns into UH-1Ys and 180 AH-1Ws into AH-1Zs. The goal of the H-1 program was to modernize utility and attack helicopters with significant design commonality to reduce operating costs. The UH-1Y and AH-1Z share over 84% identical components, including the tail boom, engines, rotor system, drivetrain, avionics architecture, software, controls, and displays. In February 2008, the UH-1Y entered the second and final phase of testing. On August 8, 2008, the Marine Corps officially certified the UH-1Y as operationally capable, and it was deployed for the first time in January 2009 as part of the aviation combat element of the 13th Marine Expeditionary Unit. The UH-1 N-Twin Huey was retired by the Marines in August 2014, making the UH-1Y the Marine Corps' primary utility helicopter. The UH-1Y variant significantly modernizes the original UH-1 design. The Y model introduces a glass cockpit with advanced avionics, enhances safety features, and equips the helicopter with a modern forward-looking infrared system. Engine power was increased, and its most striking upgrade is the addition of a 4-blade, all-composite rotor system designed to withstand 23mm rounds. A 21-inch fuselage extension was added just forward of the main door to increase capacity. The UH-1Y also features upgraded transmissions and a digital cockpit with flat-panel multifunction displays. Compared to the UH-1N, the Y model offers an increased payload, nearly 50% greater range, reduced vibration, and a higher cruising speed. The helicopter is equipped with a suite of self-protection and electronic warfare systems, including the Northrop Grumman APR-39D radar warning receiver, ALQ-231 Intrepid Tiger pod, and AAR-47 missile warning and laser detection system. The helicopter also has a BAE Systems Integrated Defense Solutions, formerly Traker ALE-47 countermeasures dispenser. The helicopter is operated by two pilots seated side by side behind a short nose cone, providing excellent visibility through oversized windshields. Access to the cockpit is via hinged, car-style doors along the sides of the fuselage. Behind the cockpit is a spacious passenger compartment, equipped with large sliding doors for quick and efficient entry and exit. The twin-engine system, mounted on the roof, powers both the main rotor above and the four-bladed tail rotor. Horizontal stabilizers are positioned far aft along the tail boom for enhanced control. The helicopter's undercarriage features a straightforward four-point skid design. An optical sensor is mounted on the aircraft's chin, while the fuselage incorporates two external hardpoints for carrying rocket or gun pods. Additionally, the door positions can be fitted with machine guns or Gatling guns on pintle mounts, allowing the UH-1Y to function as a gunship when needed. The U.S. Marine Corps plans to put around 20% of its UH-1Y Venom armed utility helicopter fleet in long-term storage by the end of this decade. This is part of the service's major restructuring effort, known as Force Design 2030, which is scaling back or outright eliminating various traditional capabilities, such as the complete divestment of all of its M1 Abrams main battle tanks. The goal is to craft a more flexible Marine Corps with new capabilities, including various longer-range ground-based missiles and a greater emphasis on unmanned capabilities that are better suited to the future distributed warfare concepts of operations it is now developing. The Marine Corps plans to remove 26 UH-1Ys from service as part of Force Design 2030. At the same time, Force Design 2030 places more emphasis on unmanned platforms, including larger types, such as the MQ-9 Reaper, capable of carrying munitions. The Reaper has far greater range and persistence than the UH-1Y, something that could also be found in future large drone designs. While something like an MQ-9 or even a much more advanced unmanned combat air vehicle would not be able to completely replace the capabilities offered by either the UH-1Y, especially the Venom's passenger and cargo carrying abilities, its extended reach would make it differently valuable for supporting future Marine Corps distributed operations, especially across the wide expanses of the Pacific. This is the argument the Marines have made for why they are closing out their conventional helicopter units in Hawaii. The service is now planning to send at least some number of KC-130J Hercules tanker transport aircraft to take their place at Marine Corps Air Station Kaneohe Bay to support extended-range MV-22B operations. The final configuration of the Marine Corps' various combat aviation fleets at the conclusion of the Force Design 2030 process very much remains to be seen. Still, the new details about the service's plans for UH-1Ys only further underscore that big changes are coming as the decade progresses.